trading view, right? So right now we're on the screen where we look at our charts. Let's go back to the actual trading view itself. So get rid of these. So this is how it will look when it's coming for you to use trading view, right? Now automatically they're always going to ask you to upgrade. Always going to ask you to upgrade. It's up to you to upgrade. It's up to you not to. I have 2 trading view accounts. One has a version of it because I paid for the lifetime, but it gives me problems. So I use this more than that one. I just use that next one just to set alerts, to be honest. So what you want to do is come to your chart, right? You select the pairs which you want to use by pressing the plus button over here. All right, there we go, right over there. Because I have a screen share button, it's not gonna let me do it. Let me try it. All right, awesome. Nope, wrong one. I apologize, family. Yeah, so okay, I think it's here, add symbol, right? So what you're gonna do is just click USD, CAD, or whatever pair you're basically going to be trading. And what you want to do is just select it, and it's going to be on the screen. You want to get rid of it, press that. Now let's go to GBP AUD, right? Let's say we want to get rid of this pair. Let's get rid of those stuff. And you want to mark it up. So over here, you have access to all of your tools. When you press this favorite button, it adds it to the list right down here. Your favorite tools that you use the most. Now, because I don't use harmonic scanner anymore, let's use as an example. Let's get rid of that. So you want to use your trend line. Draw your trend line. You want to connect to wicks, etc. Basically, you have all your tools right here that you need. You have your Fibonacci tools. You also have your Fib extension. So you can get familiar with this platform just using different stuff. If you actually draw something on it and you want to get rid of it, use this and it gets rid of what you put on. Here you can change your different time frames that you have on the top. Also, what you can do as well is you can choose the kind of candlesticks you want on your screen, right? The FX actually stands for the indicator. Now, what this does, it's very important. What this does is it adds indicators onto your screen. And as you can see, what happens, let's get rid of this over here. As you can see, what happens is when you click it, the indicator, based off what it is, gets added straight to your screen. Awesome, right? So now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to set up your chart. So you're going to right click on your screen, go to settings, and you're going to go to appearance, right? You choose the background how you want. If you want it to be a gradient, you select gradient. It makes this cool background. You want to be solid, leave it solid, right? Now what you want to do is for your vertical grid lines, you want to draw this opacity to 0. Horizontal grid lines, draw this opacity to 0. You can leave this here. Crosshair, you put whatever color it is, like you want it to be on the screen. It's going to be that color. Watermark just means the pair name is going to be on the back of the screen. Now, what you also want to do is we want to dress our candlesticks, right? So let's go to symbol. So this is where you select, basically, how your candle is going to look. The wick is how it's going to look on a bullish on the left side, and on the right side is bearish, of course. Over here, you're also going to add your bid and ask lines. Personally, I keep this off. Then you also have, all these other different tools you can play with and get familiar with. But those will be the basic settings. So when you're ready, you have a template. You can just save it, right? So another major important feature I want to tell you all about is this camera button up here. What it does, it takes a screenshot of what's on your screen, all right? You press copy and you just send it inside the chat to whoever you're trying to send it to. Real simple. Real simple. You want to see alerts, you go right over here, have your alerts. You want to add an alert, you right click on the screen where you are, click add alert. You want it to be at a specific price, change the price right here, alright? Now, a next major feature what I really wanted to point out to you all was this call out feature. You can basically access it from right here, call out. This is where you could take notes of what you're doing, right? Boom. Just take random notes of whatever. You're going to see a lot of these on our chart analysis inside the group. And that's just what it helps with. Allows you to pinpoint something and take a note of it, alright? Now, something else what I need you all to understand is that There's no right or wrong way to mark up your chart, so you don't need to ask someone, or is my chart marked up? As long as you understand what's going on your chart and it's helping you profit, then you are doing good, all right? Now, based off what we teach you throughout this whole course, you're going to learn different ways and different stuff you can use to mark up your chart. This right here, this button, what it does is it gets rid of all the drawings on the chart, no matter what it is. So once you press that, it gets rid of everything, all right? That ends the TradingView tutorial for today. See you in the next video.